Good morning again. Welcome to math class. It is Monday, the 22nd of February. We are working on page 124 in math. Remember, if at any time you go and look in your packet and you go, oh, I don't have that page, no problem at all. Take out a piece of lined paper and just mark your answers down there. You do have to do it. And you do have to get some answers down so that I know that you've watched the video. And you're going to write page 124 on that, math page 124. So let me pull mine up for you. It is hiding again this morning. There it is, math page 124. And we've been working still on measurement. The last page we did was this one. That's what the title looks like. Today we're on the back of this. Where is it? Page 124, right here. Okay? And let's start with our name and date right up at the top. Closer here. And date. Okay. And we'll read the directions together. Ready? Here we go. Put an X on the tallest one. Circle the shortest one. Right? I'm going to have you do this one. Find the tallest one of these three and put an X on it for me. Do that right now. And then find the shortest one and put a circle around it. If I go too fast for you, just stop the video. That's okay. That's the beauty of school at home, is you can stop the video anytime you want. It's hard to freeze me in the classroom. Next one, number 2. We're going to read the directions together. Put an X on the longest one. Circle the shortest one. Same thing. You're going to find the longest one. If you think this is the longest one, put an X here. If you think this is the longest one, put an X here. If you think it's this one, put an X. And then you're going to find the shortest one and put a circle around it. If you think this is shortest, put a circle. If you think this is shortest, put a circle. If you think this is shortest, put a circle. Okay. Very good. Next section says, mark the length. All right, this has got some tests. They look like a test, look like a standard test you might take. And it's asking us to measure using non-standard. This is not using the ruler. This is using cubes to measure. So you're going to count the cubes. 1, 2. You count these cubes, and you're going to tell me how long this pencil is. If you think the pencil is 5 cubes long, color this one. If you think the pencil is 6 cubes long, color this one. And if you think the pencil is 7 cubes long, color this one. Okay. And then we go to the next section that says, write the length to the nearest unit. Okay. And it wants to know how many pennies that you see. We're measuring what looks like a row of pencils right up there. And this row of pencils is how many pennies long? You're going to count the pennies and write your answer. You're going to count the paper clips and write how many paper clips there are. And you're going to count the buttons and tell me about how many buttons there are. Okay? Okay. And this one is something we haven't done a lot of. We haven't studied even and odd for a long time. So I want to see what you know, what you remember. And I'll give you a little clue up here. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then your number is even. I know it's been a long time since we've looked at these. If your number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, your number is odd. Okay? And you always look at that back number, back number, back number. Okay? And here it's asking you to draw, I know you know this, asking you to draw sticks and spots. So how about if I give you a freebie on this one? We're going to draw some sticks and spots. For the number 83, we have 8 sticks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks, and 3 spots. Okay? And this number, if I look at the back, the last number is 3, and I see it right here, which means my number is odd. How's that? I gave you a freebie today. Okay, there you go. I want you to try to finish up these two. Do your best. I know we haven't done them in a while, but do your best and we'll see what we remember. Okay? I'll see you next for handwriting. Good job on this today. See you soon.